So there's no argument. Homeownership has been one of the cornerstones to building wealth in America for the middle class for generations. In reality, not everybody's had a fair shot at homeownership in this country. So as technology has evolved, so is our ability to revolutionize how we do business and how we solve problems. One of those advancements in technologies, particularly in the fintech space, is striving to fix one problem by closing the gap in home ownership. And one of the ways they plan to do that is through a revolutionary banking platform that's not only going to give you cutting edge banking services and features, but also help you circumvent your challenged credit to get to home ownership. Stay tuned to find out more. This is JP from Blueprint for Prosperity, helping you to increase your net worth through relationship banking, maximizing your borrowing capacity, proper use of life insurance, and the ownership of real estate. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'm uploading content on a daily basis to help you customize your blueprint for prosperity. So what we're going to cover today is a new up-and-coming fintech company, actually operated and designed by two very prominent, business tycoons and really socially prominent individuals. We're going to cover that in a second. More importantly, we want to dive into the data points about this platform and particularly their mortgage product that they're looking to put together and launch at some point in the near future. We're going to discuss what it is, how it works, when it may be coming out, and who is going to benefit, who is going to serve. And then we're going to get a little bit of conversation on, is this a good? Is it really going to help? We're going to get into all of that in this video. So firstly, I want to cover, who this is and what the fintech company is about. So this is actually being put together by Dr. Bernice A. King, the daughter of Martin Luther King Jr. himself, and a prominent business tycoon, Ashley D. Bell. Amongst one of their accomplishments recently was being one of the first Black owners of a bank in Utah that was acquired by their holding company, which was covered by Forbes recently. They have also launched a fintech platform called Ready Life, with the intention of this fintech platform providing cutting edge mobile banking services, but also shaking up the traditional mortgage industry. So here's a little bit about Ready Life, their platform, and some of the services and features they intend to offer, and then we're going to dive into the mortgage portion in a second. So Ready Life's primary flagship product is going to be called Ready Pay, a digital spending and payment account offered in partnership with Figure Payments Corporation. Even if you aren't looking to purchase a home through our platform, you can apply for Ready Pay account and use it for everyday purchases. So some of the features are going to be, you can make direct deposits and get access to your paychecks up to 2 days sooner, send peer-to-peer transactions, obtain a debit card. Probably most importantly for this video is qualifying payments made through your Ready Pay account can also provide a path towards home ownership with our mortgage approval program. So let's dive into a little bit about how that works right now. Ready Life Mortgage. Ready Life is Ready Life is excited to offer a new path to home ownership that doesn't use your credit score to approve you for a mortgage. By using our digital transaction account, Ready Pay, for everyday purchases and transactions, including paying your rent on time, we will use this data as the basis for your underwriting criteria. Very interesting. And as little as 9 months after starting your on-time rent payments, our team will review your eligibility to apply for a Ready Life mortgage. Our goal is to set you up for success as a homeowner, and we will be there every step of the way. Sign up today for a Ready Pay and begin your journey. You will receive information on how to prepare yourself for a Ready Life mortgage. Okay, so as we can see so far, this is going to be based off of daily transactional data, and it's going to lean in heavy on your rent payments. This actually kind of reminds me a little bit of the NACA home mortgage program, NACA. It's also a program that does not lean very heavy on a credit score and focuses more on your previous rent payments and getting you into a home equivalent in payments as you're used to paying in rent. So I do see some similarities there, but we're going to dive into this a little deeper and see what else we can find out. So one of the biggest questions, of course, is, well, when is this product coming out? Their response so far is sign up to join the Ready Life community so we can keep you updated on our product launch timing this fall. Joining the Ready Life community will also reserve your spot to access your mortgage approval program by opening a ReadyPay account. We'll let you know via when it's time to apply for your ReadyPay digital deposit account and debit card for consumer use to get you started on your journey to becoming a homeowner, and merchant services for businesses through partnership with Figure Payments Corporation. So it's looking like fall of 2023, we could see this product live. So what's needed to start your ReadyPay account? What kind of information are they gonna need from you? So your basics: full legal name, physical address, social security number, date of birth, email address, mobile phone number, copy of driver's license, state ID or passport. So it's pretty evident you're gonna have to be an American citizen to exercise this new product. How much down payment is needed for this new mortgage product? This is a good question. Each mortgage will vary, but a target of 5% of the purchase price is a good measure. Depending on applicant's financial situation, that could vary. Ready Life is committed to making homeownership affordable, and we'll have down payment assistance programs through the Ready Foundation and our partners. So, as we can see, this looks like it's going to be a pretty affordable product when it comes to down payments, and they may have other assistance available. Another good question that was labeled on their website is there a dollar limit on a mortgage provided by Ready Mortgage? Mortgages aren't subject to specific limits, but are based upon your ability to pay a specific monthly amount towards your mortgage. This will typically be equivalent to your current monthly rent payment. A down payment towards your home will also be taken into consideration. Ready will have down payment assistance programs available for those who need it. Okay, so really quickly, let's just kind of break down who this is for, and where this is headed. Is this going to challenge the whole concept of using credit scores towards mortgages and under lending products? And, is there any benefit in this for you? Reality of it is, this is clearly going to be targeted towards, more working class Americans who, work hard and just don't have all their financials together on a traditional stage. They may not have their credit or their taxes completely, these different things. They may not have a ton of money saved up for a down payment and closing costs. So these programs, have been around. These types of programs have been around for a while. Again, I mentioned the NACA program, NACA. It's a home loan program that's all throughout the country that functions very similar to this. But they do still use your credit to some extent, but it's not the primary driver like it may be in a traditional mortgage. They also align and strive to get you qualified for a home that's equivalent to your rent payments. In their mind, they feel as if, if you can handle it in rent, then you can handle it in a mortgage. So this is definitely going to cater to, working class Americans, people who are in certain financial positions, and give them that boost to bring more people into the home, the home ownership realm, the buyer's market, who normally might not qualify, who are sitting on the sideline, which in all honesty is probably millions of people across the country. So this is probably going to have an interesting effect on the mortgage market as it rolls out. It probably won't be mass adopted when it first comes out, but I mean, in the coming years, we're seeing the evolution of where things are headed when it comes to fintech companies and how things will be operated and how people will start to qualify for lending products and just overall the evolution of financial products and banking. So this is going to be a very helpful product for those who need to qualify for something like this, but it's not going to be probably for, a reasonable majority of typical home buyers. I do think that a lot of people in the younger generation that are dealing with brand new financial challenges and coming up in very rough financial times like we're experiencing since the 2020s, this kind of thing is going to be very appealing for them. And, being able to conduct your daily transactions on a regular basis and pay your rent like you already would and have that qualify you for a mortgage versus the complexities of developing personal credit, I can definitely see this benefiting certain people. I do not think this is going to be a direct challenge to credit scoring and credit eligibility on a traditional mortgage market. I think this is going to fit a certain niche group of people and service an underserved market. Generally speaking, I think that companies like FICO and Vantage, these companies and these scoring models have the infrastructure to adopt and already are in the process of adopting alternative data points in the credit scoring model to brush up and to catch up with modern times in the credit scoring model. I think they're just going to make adjustments and adapt. I don't see this being a type of thing where this type of opportunity pops up and just completely overshadows or pushes out credit scoring. I don't think credit score is going anywhere in the near foreseeable future. I think it's just too integrated in our system. And I think it just has the ability and the infrastructure to evolve versus just disappear or be pushed out by new fintechs. Even though there's a lot of fintechs companies that are steering away from the credit scoring model and working on more transactional data, I still don't think credit scoring models are going out of the window anytime soon. So that having been said, I wanted to bring this to you guys because you need to be up to date on where things are headed in the coming years. This is dropping this fall, people. So you can see these fintech companies are coming up fast. They're coming up strong. And this may be an opportunity for you if you fit in this bucket. This would be a great opportunity for you to have to not sit on the sideline for years trying to perfect your personal credit and have an opportunity to get into home ownership, one of the most proven ways to establish wealth and financial well-being in this country. So if this fits for you, you need to continue to do your homework. Again, I probably will try to put some information in the description of this video. But it's a positive product. It's a positive concept that's trending. Hopefully for those of you who have been watching, this has been valuable information, whether you're somebody who this may fit for, or you're somebody who's in a different financial position that you might not need this, but you may see some opportunity and just have an idea of where things are headed overall in the fintech space. It's important to keep up with these things because there's so much opportunity out there. There could be a partner program that branches out from this, an affiliate program, who knows? This could be a money-making opportunity as well as this company looks to branch out and reach a broader audience. So thank y'all for tuning in. I appreciated bringing you this content. I know it was valuable for you. As always, I want y'all to stay focused, stay in motion. I'll see y'all soon.